May 21, 2025. Just before noon, an officer responds to a fraud call at a Georgia bank. I have seen a lot of these. This one tells you something real about how American policing actually works. So here is the question. When does a friendly chat become a custodial interrogation, and who is supposed to know the difference?
Hey, she left already?
I just got back from lunch, but this is the ID she presented to this gentleman. She came in a week before last and did a withdrawal, and she's been to other branches.
Okay. And she's not this person?
She's not that person.
So, hold on, Teresa, and then she sent it in.
So this is the one that we had from week before last that was sent out in our market, so we'll be on the lookout for her.
And so this is the person y'all do have an account, Teresa?
Correct.
Okay, and this person y'all have an account too. So right now we don't know who she is.
Correct.
Hey, now, before I go, we need to talk to you real quick, okay? Now, we need to talk to you real quick. I'm Officer Hateville Police Department. The reason why we need to talk to you is basically that we got a call stating that you was trying to make some bank transactions or cash a check, whatever you was trying to do, utilizing someone else's information, not yours, and you was trying to impersonate yourself as that person. Are you aware of that?
No.
Okay, then. Do you have your ID now?
No.
You don't have ID?
I just left it on the counter, I think, in there.
You left it on the counter. Why did you leave it on the counter?
It's in here.
Okay. We can get it. Hold a second. Stay back. Let me get it right here.
What's going on?
Hello.
Hi.
Tell us what's going on. What you doing here today?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're at the bank.
I was trying to make a
All right.
transaction.
So here's the thing. We're gonna go ahead and cut out all the bull crap. Okay. You're doing something wrong here. It's in your best interest to tell us what that is. So go ahead and do that. Okay. Just be honest. It's okay. You can tell us.
I just tried to do something illegal.
Okay. Well, tell us what that is. Okay. And why did you do it? That's the main thing.
How?
Or why?
I'm just going through a lot of things. My son got locked up. I'm just having a financial hardship right now.
Okay. Did somebody set you up to this, or was it something that you decided to do?
No, it's just something that I heard about, and I just,
Tried to see.
yes.
Okay.
Please don't.
You got your regular ID?
No.
Okay.
Come here real quick. Let me holler at you real quick. Y'all watch her.
She admitted to it.
What?
She admitted to it.
Okay, this is what the deal is. This ain't her?
Nope.
And that ain't her.
She knows that.
Okay.
She just said she did it all fraudulently because she needed some money.
Okay, cool.
I got the why. She did it because she's our kid.
What's your name?
Savannah.
Savannah?
Okay. How did you get up here?
Uber.
You Uber?
Y'all, I just been going through a lot. I just got put out of my apartment. My son is locked up. It's just a lot going on.
No, just because you're going through something, that doesn't mean it's okay to your ID from Georgia.
Yes. I didn't take anything.
Miss Savannah, do me a favor and don't use your phone right now.
Okay.
Where's your driver's license?
I didn't bring them. My real stuff.
How much money did she get on this one?
Which one?
The first one.
A lot.
What was
She
a
came
lot?
to our branch
I need to know a number.
Yeah, and who?
Was it? Did it happen here in Hayeville?
and some other branches.
I'm talking about no.
Branch.
How much money did she get from Hayeville? That's the only one I can put a case on. And tell me I need a date and time she came here and draw.
I think she did 8, so about 60,
Huh?
about 15.
15 what?
15,000.
15,000?
Have her print all that from the last one. We'll give it to that one. This one for identity fraud. This one,
And
the
this
second
one,
Did she get any money
tried to
today?
get out 8,000, but the account is inactive.
Okay, so 15,000. We need a printout on that then.
Yeah, and we need everything printed from the transaction, the amount. Did y'all contact the account holder?
The account owner is either, if I can remember, Alabama or Florida.
Okay, if you could get us his or her information, how much money was taken out, because obviously those people would be victims and the bank itself is. Did y'all file a report that time?
No, because it wasn't discovered until she went to other branches.
Okay, okay.
This was not the person. The account owner at that point went in.
Gotcha. She got $15,000, $8,000 to $15,000 the last time you were here, right?
The last time.
Yeah, we got your ID from last time too, where you used your other ID when you came here. So this is the second time. She didn't get any money this time because the account was inactive, but the last time she got $15,000.
Start with the Fourth Amendment. A warrantless seizure needs probable cause. Under Beck versus Ohio, that means facts strong enough for a reasonable officer to believe a crime happened. A named bank employee fingered the suspect. The fake identification was in the officer's hand. Illinois versus Gates says a known witness beats an anonymous tip every time. The detention itself was clean. Here is where it gets interesting. Miranda versus Arizona requires warnings before custodial interrogation. Berkemer versus McCarty asks one question. Would a reasonable person feel free to walk out? She is in a closed bank lobby, officers around her, told she is the suspect. She confesses on tape with no warning. Interview or interrogation. The defense will test that. The purse search is easier. United States versus Robinson lets an officer search the person and anything immediately associated with them after a lawful custodial arrest. That covers a purse on her shoulder. The withdrawal slip and the bank cards under another person's name come in clean. No warrant needed. No consent required. That part of the case is not moving.
People go through things, I get it. But you got a lot of victims here. You're taking people, you're stealing from several different people. So, what do you think should happen to you?
I should get a warning.
Think so?
A warning?
You think so?
Yes.
Why do you think that?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You do know what you're doing. You're grown. You know exactly what you're doing. You did it twice. I'm being realistic with you. I'm being as real with you as I can. So, I mean, that's a lot of money. You can't just swipe that under the carpet like that's $15,000 you stole from somebody.
You think if somebody did that to you, they deserve a warning?
They took your money out of your
chance.
if
they had things going on.
They took money out of your account and
like
used
to pay it back to that person or something.
That's not how that works. You can't pay that $15,000 back. That's why you're here. You used somebody else's ID and stole their money. So that's two things. It's a big deal. This ruins people's lives, not just yours, but if you come in and take money out of my account and pretend like you're me, you're ruining my credit, you're taking money out of my kid's mouth. Other ways to do stuff. I've been broke before and came up, and I didn't go steal nothing. So, you gave them your real ID? No, officers?
I don't have.
No, did you give your officers your real information? I'm sorry. Okay.
Yes, my real name, yes.
Okay.
Yes, my real name, yes.
It came back. You ever been arrested before?
When I was younger,
What for?
my husband and I got into a fight and I hit him in front of the police.
Like a domestic or something?
Yeah, they charged me, I think, with aggravated assault for hitting him in front of the police. That was like...
Did you hit him with something?
No, my hand.
How long ago?
Like 2009 or something. Way back. It might not even been in the 2000s.
What's your son arrested for?
He shot himself walking down the street or something in Clayton County. And I guess they have cameras or something and they saw it. He got picked up for a warrant, so when they saw that, they transferred him to Clayton County.
If I could.
What information do you need from the ones that you need here?
Yeah,
The name and number of the customer, the true customer?
that's it. And the amount and the date that she did it.
Got it, okay.
Okay, I need the only ones I need for is hate bill.
Yeah.
Okay, got you. Appreciate you now.
No, she said she Ubered here.
I just said that she had car keys, cause I don't trust her, man. I don't even think who that name she gave us is her, man. I think we need to rapid ID.
Is that supposed to be her?
No, these are not her.
Okay, so I guess the last time she came in here, did she give her real ID?
No, that's the
That's
ID.
what she gave
Let me see
us?
what she do, man.
And the customer, the true customer went into a branch, whatever state they're in, and said that money is being coming out. And that's how we...
So here's the thing. She got her picture on these IDs. These are not her name. This is not her name. This is a different name with her picture on it.
Yeah.
So some kind of way she's giving us our customers' account information.
Yeah.
So her name is Sawana. She swears that's her real stuff. I mean, whether it is or not, we'll find out.
Yeah, because like I said, these are convincing.
Usually what happens is these people find a homeless person on the side of Cleveland Ave and say, let me take your picture. I'll be back in tomorrow. I'll give you $100 if you go in and cash this check. And they come back with a fake ID with the picture on it. Well, we just had a guy, last week or the week before at Delta Community do the same thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man.
But she got 15 grand last time?
Yeah.
Georgia's financial identity fraud statute punishes the willful use of another person's identifying information to get something of value. Georgia's financial transaction card fraud statute covers cards obtained through fraud. Every completed withdrawal is a separate count, and on this record, the state has documents, witness testimony, and the suspect's own words backing every element. Now Officer Heather. He stays calm, never raises his voice, gives her room to talk. In a fraud case, that is exactly what you want. But here is the human thinking piece. He keeps asking substantive questions in a setting that already feels custodial. A 2-minute Miranda warning costs him nothing and protects the whole case. He chose conversation over caution. That is a habit, not malice. The suspect is something else. She does not run, does not fight, does not ask for a lawyer. She just talks about her son being locked up, the eviction, the financial hole she is in. From a human angle, I get it. From a legal angle, it is devastating. Every sentence she gives the officer becomes a sentence the prosecutor reads back to a jury. Silence is a right for a reason. The bank staff actually carries this case. They spot her before she leaves, hold the fake identification, and tell the officer only what they saw. No guessing, no editorializing, no improvised investigation. That is the civilian witness role done right. Without them, the officer walks into a much harder case, or no case at all.
This one here, doesn't have some transaction with 8,000.
So she tried to get 8 this time. The last time she was here, she got 15.
That's what
she actually got it. Walsh says this is the second time.
That's what I'm saying, dude. She did 2 transactions on the same day for 8,000.
Today or the last time?
No, the last time.
The last time.
And she got both of them.
Which one? This one here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, she got 16,000.
Yeah, she got a total of 16 from us.
Cause check this out. When we run this ID, these numbers come back to somebody else.
Okay. The one at Delta was an older black guy. It came back to an old white guy.
Yeah, so I told her to print a whole. And you said today she tried to get another 8,000.
Another 8,000. So this is the 8 that she tried to get, but the account is inactive, meaning there hasn't been any activity.
So right now I got 2 charges of identity theft, and then the other one's gonna be 2 charges of fraud. All right, now, what I need from you before I go, I just need a recorded statement on what happened today.
Okay.
If you can just tell me what happened with her today.
Sure. She came in, presented a different ID, asking for $8,000 out of the inactive account. Baker pretty much stalled because we recognized her before when she came in, so he kind of stalled, and that's when we called you all to have her arrested.
Okay. Well, hey, thank you for your statement. Any further things you need from us, reach out to us.
Do you need that cane to walk?
Yes.
All right, well, you get your purse from me, okay? You got anything else on you that's gonna stick harm us or poke us or anything? You're gonna be under arrest for this, okay? The bank wants to prosecute, the person wants to prosecute. We're gonna make it as easy for you as possible, okay? We're gonna walk you to the car, we're gonna handcuff you when you get to the car, okay?
Lesson 1. If you are ever stopped, questioned, or just asked to come talk, your right to remain silent is not a formality. It is the single most powerful tool an ordinary American has when a criminal case is forming around them. Use it before you say anything you cannot take back, and ask for a lawyer out loud and on the record. Lesson 2. A polite officer is still an officer. Tone is not a legal status. Berkemer versus McCarty does not care whether the conversation felt friendly. If you are not free to leave, you are being seized, and what you say will be used. Read the room, not the smile. Lesson 3. If you witness fraud at your bank, your store, your workplace, the playbook these tellers used is the gold standard. Identify the person quietly. Preserve the document, call the police, and tell them only what you actually saw. That protects your community. Without putting you in a witness chair you cannot defend. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you want broken down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to check out the second channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.